Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? It's your friendly neighborhood Renko Trader Slime, and I'm here to basically give you guys another educational video. Break down when you should and shouldn't trade Renkos, or what type of market conditions you should and should not trade Renkos in. I think you guys get the gist of what I'm talking about. You feel me? So, before we do, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Um, Wrinkles is very powerful, but only under the right conditions. Like, there are certain circumstances that you have to have for Wrinkles to be extra potent, I would say. Wrinkle traders lose money for one simple reason, and they just don't know how to trade it or when to trade it. I go ahead and tell you, you can trade wrinkles almost any time of the day. The problem comes when you have too much emotions involved. Wrinkles filter out noise, but it doesn't remove bad market conditions. What does that mean? That means although you get rid of wicks and it's more cleaner, if the market just don't want to move, it just don't want to move. Like, for instance, this right here. If price never broke above these highs, you think I was gonna buy price? No. You feel me? Simple range. These sideways movements are money killers. That's what they're there to do. Take profits away from you. And once they accomplish that goal, now you're there looking all frustrated. You feel me? Markets like these is what terrorize new Renko traders. And of course, you don't know when it's gonna happen. You just know that it's happening and you don't know what to do. You feel me? Wrinkles is trend based. So if you don't know how to trade trend, then you're really gonna get clapped in these type of conditions that seems to pop out every day. You feel me? First things first, if you don't have clear structure, you shouldn't trade Rinkos. So if price isn't doing a stairs motion up or a stairs motion down like these, and it's just sitting here moving sideways, no higher highs, no higher lows, if there's no story, there's no trade. Simple as that. You feel me? Without clear structure, you're normally in a range or chop or whatever you like to call it. You know, I tell you, Rinkos work best when price is trending, not when it's stuck, not when it's standing still. This is all standstill. So what you do, you wait for the break, you wait for the retest, you wait for the break. You didn't even get a retest, but you got one right here. You feel me? Before news, what happened? 8:30. Price gave you a signal that it wanted to sell. We broke a low. People were trying to sell it and it rejected up. Before news is a horrible time to trade Rinkos because I don't want to say you don't know what's going to happen, but you don't know what's going to happen. And then with Rinkos, you don't have wicks and all that other stuff that make you happy to trade news. It's just pure price. No patterns, no nothing. If you're chasing or tilted, Rinkos won't save you. You feel me? Renko's is a structure tool, not a news tool. So you need structure to trade Renko's. I don't want this video to be too long because it's not much reasons to not trade Renko's. But those are the main ones: ranging markets, emotional trading, um, everything else, you know. But those are the main ones: ranging markets and emotional trading. If you get caught in a range market, there should be no reason why you should be trying to force a setup. You feel me? Renko's work when structure is clean, price is moving, and when you're disciplined and not emotional. That's when Renko's is at its best. Simplicity over complexity, clarity over predictions, discipline over tools. That's what we strive for on this YouTube channel. That's what we strive for when it comes to trading in general. You get me? If you're new to the channel, I just opened up our Discord. We have the Swiper Academy now. You can come, you can learn, you can do whatever it is that you want to do in the Discord with other traders. If you're old to the channel or you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe. I should start dropping the Discord link in my videos in the next 2 to 3 videos, alright? Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your night.